Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up as a Preply online tutor very easily. So first you need to search on Google or any browser Preply tutor sign up and then tap on the first not sponsored link. So tap on teach online, become an online tutor at Preply. Tap on it and here you see teach online, earn money on your schedule. You need to fill in your email and your password, or you can continue with Google or with Facebook. So I'm just selecting a temporary email, but you can fill in your own email address, of course. And here you need to fill in your password. Let me do that right now. Like this, and then tap on sign up with email. And here you need to fill in all of your personal data. So I'm just selecting, just random names and last names, but of course this must be your own personal information. Something like this, and then confirm that you're over 18. Then tap on next. And here you can just add a profile picture. So you can of course take one and then drop it here, or you can just, what I'm doing right now is select an image that is not existing, and then just drop it into here, as you can see. And here you can crop it very easily. Something like this, and then tap on next when you're satisfied. If you have any, you can add your teaching certifications right here. So you can select the subject, the certificate, the description, issued by, years of study, and get a certified badge if you want to. So you also can just select I don't have any teaching certification yet. I'm doing that right now, and then tap on next. The same goes for education. You can add your universities, your degrees, etc. Right here, or you select I don't have a higher education degree, and then tap on next. And here you can add your profile description. So first, you can add your headline, and this is very important because you need to rank on keywords, so people find you when they search for a English teacher, for example. So certified tutor, so you need to add, for example, certified English tutor with 5 years of experience. Of course, make this your own. Do not copy this. Introduce yourself and share briefly about your interest. Hello, my name is James. Something like this, and I'm just copying and pasting because you need a check the limit of 400. So be very specific with this. You also can use ChatGPT for this if you do not have any inspiration, but I think you should come up with something because it's very easy. You can just say I have 5 years of experience, and then just copy and paste this. And again, writing helps you get an auto-generated message based on your information in just a few seconds. So also Preply is using AI, so it's not really weird to use AI. And book a trial now. As you see, I'm over the limit, and this is the characters I am using right now. So once you're satisfied, you also can change this, by the way. You just tap on next, and here you see camera. So you need to test your camera that you're a real person. So just tap on test camera. And then tap on next. So what you can do is you can record a video. Now introduce yourself to your students. You can watch and re-record your intro before you submit it. So you can tap on start recording, or you can paste a link, so you can upload another recording of yourself, upload it to YouTube on unlisted, and then copy the link. So tap on share. If you have the huge video uploaded, you can tap on share, then tap on copy, and then paste the link right here. As you can see, this is the video. Of course, this needs to be a video of yourself. Make sure your video, make your video more appealing. So you can add a own custom thumbnail, which I do recommend. And once you're satisfied, you can tap on next. And right now, you can change the time zone, and this is correct. And you can set your availability, something like that. I'm just letting it like this, but you can change this, of course. For example, Sundays off, just the weekends off, for example, or I'm working in the weekends as well. So then tap on next, and here you can set your hourly base rate. So maybe let's do 10, for example. And you can prep the commission. As you see, the more you teach, the less commissions that Preply takes over your money. And once you're totally satisfied, you can tap on complete registration. And as you see, successfully submitted. Within 5 business days, you will receive an email with your application status. Okay, I understand. And that is it. Thank you for completing registration. We've received your application and are currently reviewing it. We will receive an email with the status of your application within 5 business days. So that's done. Now you're done. Now you have an account. You have your password, your email address, and now you can just very easily teach people online, teach children, teach anyone who wants lessons very easily. You can be your own teacher without working on a school, just as a side hustle. You can increase your prices, set your own schedule, like they say, work on your own schedule whenever you want, wherever you want, which is really nice. So you can work from the Bahamas and teach people in Europe, English, for example. So that's really, really nice, and that's what I love about Preply. There is quite a lot of competition, so really be unique, be creative, make cool thumbnails, cool video, unique headlines, unique description, be not like the others. That's really important. Check for competition. Where is the gap in the market? Where am I good and what is my skill, and how can I teach people that skill? So basically that's it. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.